So we're here at a beautiful cabin in the woods. Cell towers are a couple miles away. And this is the bed where my daughters sleep. And right by the bed is a handy phone, except it's a cordless phone. So let's see how much radiation it emits. The meter's on. As you can see, it's not picking up much of anything. You can tell by the lights. And now I'm going to plug in the phone, which I have unplugged. The phone is now plugged in. And that's about where my daughter's head would be. Maybe it would be here. And maybe it would be here. And there's a lot of radiation coming off that phone. Now let's turn the phone on. Let's pretend we're going to make a call. I'm going to turn it on. There you go. Looks like it could break my meter because the volts per meter is so high. Even over here. Now I'm going to turn it off. And now I'm going to unplug the base. Okay. There you go. Beautiful cabin in the woods with a decked phone.